tried every diet and workout and still stuck with stubborn belly fat? You're not lazy. Your metabolism just isn't firing like it used to. Hey, I'm Sophia. And today, I'm going to show you how Patriot Slim Shot is helping thousands of Americans melt stubborn fat and feel amazing again, naturally. Before we get started, a quick but crucial warning. Due to high demand, fake versions are being sold online. Patriot Slim Shot is only sold through the official website, which is linked right below this video. So what is Patriot Slim Shot? It's a powerful science-backed metabolic formula designed to target stored fat, boost energy, and support healthy weight loss, especially for people over 35. How does it work? Patriot Slim Shot combines natural fat-burning ingredients like L-carnitine, raspberry ketones, and B12 to activate your metabolism, control appetite, and increase energy, all without jittery side effects. The result? Faster weight loss, more energy during the day, less cravings, better mood, and clothes that actually fit again. Just one easy shot per day, preferably in the morning. That's it. Consistency is key, and most people see results within the first few weeks. Need proof? Lisa, 48, dropped 2 dress sizes in just a month. Mike, 55, said he finally got rid of his belly after years of trying everything. Thousands of real stories, real people, real results. And here's the best part. Patriot Slim Shot is completely risk-free. You're covered by a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not impressed, you get every penny back. No stress. But here's the catch. Stock is running low and promo kits are only available for a limited time. If you're watching this, it means there's still time, but don't wait. Click the link in the description now and claim your Patriot Slim Shot at a special discount while it's still available. Encapsulate USA. Health on another level. Real results.